Well, it's Sunday about 4:30. I'm back in town. Nicholas forgot to turn the cameras on both nights. Third to first to win the feature Friday night, Brownstown. 18th to 6th last night with the Mars race at Peevely. Got some battle work to do. We're getting her unloaded, getting her ready. Quick turnaround. Racing Highland Wednesday night, the Madison County Fair, $5,000 to win. So we got to get to work. Well, it's Monday night, 7:30. We had Daryn, Dave, Doug, George, and myself here tonight. She's sitting on the ground ready to go. Started about 5 o'clock. Took the roof off because we are running topless now as of this afternoon. Wednesday night, the Madison County Fair at the Highland Speedway. Paying $5,000 to win. Be a little different format from what I understand. We will qualify. The top 6 will do a King of the Hill, and how you qualify is how you start the feature. And if there's more than 22 cars or 24 cars, then they will do a B main. But 7:30 on Monday night, she's ready to roll back in the trailer. We wiped the top down. And underneath side, you still got the weekend mud on it. Got the deck panel straightened, put back on, spoiler straightened, put back on. So tomorrow night we will load up and get ready to go on Wednesday afternoon. Our trailer air conditioning condensing fan motor took a crap. So we got a new one of them coming for tomorrow, because Wednesday it's supposed to be a high of 96, so the heat index will be well over 100. Definitely gonna need air conditioning. Saturday's not looking much better either for Peevely. I know Thursday they're calling for 100 degrees. So thanks for watching. Like I said, sorry about the no content from this weekend. I was out of town, and Nicholas forgot to turn the cameras on. But should have a video out Thursday evening, I would hope, depending on how Wednesday night goes and how late we get back. But thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up button. If you're not a subscriber, you can do so by hitting the picture of Daryn's race car in the lower right hand corner. Catch you all later.